What's good, all my SGMers, all my still getting money people out there? Before you watch this video, become part of the SGM family by subscribing, like, share, and comment. And hit that bell button below so you be notified first. And no, shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in them comments. Gang gang. And before you watch this video, don't forget to add me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. You know, y'all already watching me on YouTube and Snapchat. But like I said, this right here, SgmCashoutKing, I got a big opportunity. So if you're 18 or over, or you live in the United States, you know what I'm saying, got a job or whatever, like I said, it's a little investment, it's a small investment of $35. So if you're serious, add me right here. There's no excuse. SgmCashoutKing right there. You see this, you know it's me. Like I said, this is the background. Add me here. Like I said, inbox me. Or even inbox me on Instagram. And we'll go from there. You got to be serious, though. Like I said, this could be big for you. You know what I'm saying? And life-changing if you take it serious. But anyways, like I said, this video is about a website called Prize Rebel. Some of you heard of it, some of you haven't. But let's get right into it. Prize Rebel is a survey website. You know what I'm saying? You can earn by doing surveys, but also sharing this with other friends and family. Like I said, let me click right here to show you right here the surveys they got available. They got 14 probably that that can get me some good money right now. Like I said, you see the time right there, you know, 28, 15 minutes. Like I said, you're not gonna get all of them. You just press go right there. You're not gonna get all of them. You know what I'm saying? So don't get discouraged if you get, you know, if you halfway through one and then it just tells you, it clicks you off. You know what I'm saying? Because you didn't make it or something like that. You know what I mean? But you can click down through here. You can do surveys. You know what I mean? You can go to gold right here. The main thing is surveys. You can do them right here. Like I said, you can daily gold. These are long right here, as you can see. You know what I mean? You can go over here to tap research. You know what I mean? Look. Answer 15 quick questions about yourself to unlock surveys that pay up to 324 points, which is a lot of points because, like I said, it don't take a lot of points to earn on here. You know, so you can earn from $5 to $10. 1,000 points is $10. You know what I mean? 500 points is $5. So that's not even a lot. You go to Peanut Lab. You know what I mean? Go from there. Like I said, y'all just run through it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Let me go right here to the win. It got raffles, lucky numbers, contests with my winnings. This is in my invites right here. This is gonna be my referral code right here. Like I said, will be in the link in the description below. You know what I'm saying? Money easy by earning 25% of your referral points. Your referrals points from anyone that you refer, no caps. Like I said, it's that simple. Besides you putting in the work. Like I said, you share it to friends and family all over social media. Like I said in every video, you gotta get it out to the masses. You know what I'm saying? So people can know about the opportunity. You know what I mean? But like I said, there's so much you can do on here. Offer walls, engagement videos. There's an app called Engage Me Videos. You can link it up together. So if you're not using it on here, even though you can use this website on your phone, you can go to Engage Me, and all the points that you do on there, the Engage Me app, may be in the fact that if you link it, it's gonna go on here. So let's just say you got 500 here and 500 on the app, even though the app has nothing to do with this, but you linked it together, that's 1,000. So if you're able to cash out on here, you can use those points on here. You know what I mean? But let me go to the rewards. Like I said, let me show you the rewards, the good stuff. Like I said, you got PayPal, they got Amazon. Those are my two top favorite. But sometimes there's other things. Like I said, you might be out with your family, I don't know how much points you might have, but enough to get something. Let's say this right here, 2,500, which is not hard to get. That's $25 on Lobstergram. You know what I mean? They got other stuff on here that you can look at and go through. You know what I'm saying? Burger King, GameStop. I'm a fan of, you know, I go to GameStop here and there. You know what I mean? But I'm also a big fan of Starbucks. I got one right across the street, and I'm there almost on a daily. So all this stuff, you know what I'm saying, does me justice. You got Walmart, you know, Facebook, Best Buy. I'm another fan of that place. I be getting stuff off there from points that I earn, Domino's, etc. You know what I mean? But like I said, I have right now, you know what I'm saying, I have 1,509 points. So as you can see right here, I'm able to cash out $10. So let's do a cash out right here on a cam. So let me scroll down, see if you can see everything. Like I said, so that's $10. So let me claim this item. Press right here. Are you sure you want to earn the prize? Blah blah blah. Yeah, of course we do. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is what's gonna pop up. Let me close all this out. Close this out. Bam, right there. So in August, as you see, August 22nd, $10 is paid. It's pending right now. So as soon as it comes back, I should have an email. You know what I mean? I can check it though. So I got an email right here by Prize Rebel, as you can see. I'm gonna click that. So like I said, I'm gonna receive my reward within the next 24 hours. So I guess I gotta wait. So as soon as, like I said, as soon as it come in, I'm gonna definitely, you know what I'm saying, show you the payment proof. Okay, I'm back. So you see right here, I got paid by Prize Rebel. This is the process email, which I'm gonna show you real quick. See, everything is processed right there. Let me show you the actual email where I got paid. $10 from Angelic, whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? See money received. Let me show you the date right here today. Here's the transaction ID. Here's the date, August 23rd. This video will be posted today, so let me show you the outside. This phone. Let me show you the outside. Today is August 23rd, as you can see. So to go even further in, you already know, if you've been following me for a while, if you've been, you know what I'm saying, a day one, you know what I'm saying, or a mid-lifer, you know what I'm saying, SGM team, the team SGM, you already know what it is. Or you newbies, y'all about to find out what it is. So it's gonna ask me for my thumb as usual, you know what I'm saying. Gonna be roasting my nails, I do gotta cut them. But anyways, let that load up. It's gonna open up right there. So see activity. Cha-ching! And there it is. As you can see, August 23rd, payment received right there, $10. So as you can see, I got paid. I gave you all the proof in the world. For those people that be hating and all that, like I said, keep hating, man. Like I said, that means I'm doing something right. But like I said, they go to payment, they go to proof. I showed you everything. You know what I'm saying, the emails and the process through my PayPal. So it's that simple. Like I said, the link will be in the description below. And also, like I said, my social media will be in the link in the description below. Like I said, I got a big opportunity. I've been dreading telling y'all it's a brand new opportunity. Y'all definitely need to get involved in this. Like I said, you're not gonna be left alone. It's gonna be teamwork. Like I said, me building you brings me more success. So it's basically me bringing you success and getting you a check brings me a check and success. So it makes plenty of sense, and you get to fix your credit at the same time. All these, you know, these websites and these apps, like I said, it's fun. You can make a little extra money on the side, but you want to make a life-changing income that can retire you. Like I said, I ain't working 5 years, so you already know what it is. You know what I mean? So, like I said, everything will be in the link. The link will be in the description below. Everything will be down there, all information. If you're interested in this opportunity and you're 18 or over, not this one you see right here, but the one I'm talking about, you're 18 and you're in the U.S., contact me. Like I said, contact me through Facebook or contact me through Instagram inbox. It doesn't matter. Just get a hold of me, period. Like I said, you got to be serious, or don't waste my time, don't waste your time. But anyways, the SgmCashoutKing is signing out. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.
I got money in the bank, shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank, shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank, shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank, shout out.